PDFQuiz AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. If you're looking to boost your productivity with a tool that can streamline quiz creation from any PDF, stick with me because you're about to learn some real value. I'll also tell you how to get a completely free trial, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether PDFQuiz AI is the tool you need. Now let's get into it. PDFQuiz AI makes creating quizzes from PDFs ridiculously easy. Whether you're a teacher, content creator, or a business owner, if you deal with PDFs and need to quickly generate quizzes, this tool will save you tons of time. All you have to do is upload a PDF, and PDFQuiz AI will extract the text, automatically generate quiz questions, and even provide answer keys. That's right, this tool works almost instantly with very little effort from your end. One thing I found extremely valuable is its customizability. While PDFQuiz AI generates quizzes for you, you can modify the questions, tweak the answers, and adjust the difficulty level to match your audience's needs. This level of control is something most other quiz tools simply don't offer out of the box. The AI behind PDFQuiz is very impressive. It doesn't just pull random text, it understands the content and generates questions based on the most important points. This means that the questions are relevant and accurate, which is something you don't always get with other AI-driven tools. Whether you're creating multiple choice questions, true, false, or even fill-in-the-blank style quizzes, PDFQuiz AI handles it all with ease. Another standout feature is its ability to process complex documents. A lot of AI tools struggle with dense or highly technical content, but PDFQuiz AI takes complex PDFs, think textbooks, manuals, or even research papers, and extracts the information in a way that makes sense for quiz creation. If you've ever tried to manually pull quiz questions from a technical document, you know how much of a headache that can be. Now, one of the biggest selling points is its time efficiency. If you're creating quizzes for educational purposes or market research, you probably know how time-consuming it can be to go through documents, create questions, and format them properly. PDFQuiz AI speeds up that process significantly. This tool can handle large batches of PDFs, saving you hours of manual work. You can also use PDFQuiz AI for gamification or interactive content. If you're a business owner or marketer looking to engage your audience with quizzes, this software allows you to easily integrate quizzes into your marketing campaigns. It's a fun and interactive way to engage users, collect data, and create leads without spending hours creating the quizzes manually. Finally, PDFQuiz AI is incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean and straightforward, so even if you're not tech savvy, you won't struggle to figure it out. Upload your PDF, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and then tweak your quiz as needed. It's that simple. If you're curious about trying this software, you can actually test it for free using the link in the description below. And after you try PDFQuiz AI, you can check out my recommended AI tools in the description that I've personally tested and vetted after going through thousands of AI software options. This could be the tool you've been waiting for to level up your quiz creation game. And who knows, it might even change how you handle PDFs from now on. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out those links below for free trials on PDFQuiz AI and other top AI software.